What if the miracle you've been praying for didn't happen in a temple, but in a small room, on an ordinary day? Peter was traveling from town to town, visiting believers, encouraging them, reminding them they weren't forgotten. When he reached a place called Lydda, he met a man named Eaneus. Eaneus had been stuck in bed for 8 years, paralyzed, watching life move on without him. Peter looked at him and said something simple, almost bold. "Jesus Christ heals you. Get up and make your bed." And immediately, Eaneus stood up. No long speech, no dramatic build-up. Just obedience. And a body that suddenly worked again. People noticed. Whole towns noticed. Many turned to the Lord not because of Peter, but because they saw that Jesus was still alive and still working. But the story didn't stop there. What happens when the miracle comes too late? Or so it seems. In the town of Joppa, there was a woman named Tabitha, also called Dorcas. She was known for her kindness, especially to widows. She didn't preach. She served. She loved. She showed up. Then she got sick. And she died. The room was filled with grief. Widows stood there holding the clothes she had made for them, silently saying, "She mattered." They sent for Peter. When he arrived, he asked everyone to step outside. The room went quiet. Peter knelt down and prayed. Then he turned toward her and said, "Tabitha, get up." She opened her eyes. She sat up, and Peter helped her to her feet. News spread through Joppa, and many believed in the Lord. Because this wasn't just about healing or even resurrection, it was about a living Jesus, still moving through ordinary people in everyday places. So here's the question for us. What if God wants to move? Right where you are. If this story stirred your faith, take a moment, like, share, or reflect and stay open. Because the same Jesus who moved then is still moving now.